Alright, let's look at the practice exam 3, problem number 4, part A. Alright, so we want to explain why Rolle's theorem does not apply to f of x equals x to the 2/3 power on the interval from -8 to 8. Alright, so in order to apply Rolle's theorem, the function has to be continuous on that closed interval, and it has to be differentiable in the open interval. All right, so let's look at the derivative of this function. So f prime of x is equal to, all right, put the 2/3 in front. This is just a power rule. All right, x, and subtract 1 from the power, so negative 1/3 power. All right, so which is going to be 2 over 3 times, all right, so negative power puts x on the bottom, and a 1/3 power is cube root, right? So you can see that since x is sitting on the denominator, we can see that this f prime of 0 is undefined, right? So which means that f prime, f is not differentiable at x equals 0, and that is a problem because 0 is on this interval from 0 to 8. Right, so since f is not differentiable, therefore Rolle's theorem does not apply. So therefore, Rolle's theorem does not apply here. Alright, so let's do part B. Right, for f of x equals 3x minus x squared over 2 on the interval from 1 to 3. So we immediately know that a is 1 and b is 3. Right, we want to find the point C guaranteed by the mean value theorem, which is given here. Right, so let's find f prime first. F prime of x is equal to, derivative of 3x is 3. Derivative of negative x squared over 2 is put 2 in front, 2 and 2 cancel out, so you're going to have just negative x. Alright, so this is the derivative, and well, so which means that the f prime of c is equal to 3 minus c. Right, we're just replacing x by c. All right, then let's compute the right hand side. So right hand side is going to be f of b is in this case 3 minus f of 1 all over 3 minus 1. All right, let's compute f of 3. So 3 times 3 is 9 minus, let's see, 3 squared, 9 over 2. So 9 minus 9 over 2 is 9 over 2 minus, right, plug in 1. So 3 minus 1/2. So that's 5 halves. As 3 is 6 halves minus 1/2. So it's a 5 halves. Right, divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. Right. So this is going to give us, let's see, 9 halves minus 5 halves would be 4 halves, which is 2. Divided by 2 is 1. Right? Then we just want to make sure that these are equal to each other. So therefore we have, right, so we have 3 minus c has to be equal to 1. Right? Then we can subtract the 3 from both sides. So negative c is equal to negative 2, right? Then we can just multiply by negative 1 to get the c is equal to 2, right? So we found the value of c that way. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.